And we look at these, the nth term of a sequence is talking about writing an equation in terms of n. Some people look at that and think it's ninth because they don't bother to read it really closely. But what we have to do is look at what type of sequence it is first of all. From 15 to 0, you're decreasing by 15. There's no way you could say you're multiplying by 0, but that wouldn't give you much of a sequence. So you look at the second step and it's doing the same thing. It's decreasing by 15. Okay, the question then becomes, what is it, it's decreasing by 15. So that becomes our growth, or in this case here, our decay. It's decreasing. The question then is, what is our zero term? This is the first term of the sequence, and we got to write an equation based on a zero term. So we got to go back one. We got to figure out what is previous to the 15. Well, if we're decreasing by 15 each time, the initial one was 30, and then we decrease and so on. So our initial value must be 30. We're decreasing by 15, so that would leave us an answer of C, 30 minus 15n. This one here, you got 81 and then 27 and then 9 and then 3 and so on. So what we want to do is do the same thing. This is dividing by 3. But if we're dividing by 3, it's the same thing as multiplying by 1/3. Okay, and if we kept going, this would be 1/3 and then 1/9 and so on, and a lot of things beyond that. If we take a step back, then we're saying what divided by 3 gave me 81. Well, to do the opposite, we multiply this by 3. You multiply 81 by 3 and you get 243. And so our equation actually is this one here. It's the initial value of 243 times 1/3 raised to the n power. Geometric arithmetic.